Hello and welcome everybody. Today I am going to show you how to create and set up an eBay business account. So first of all, you need to open a tab in your browser and write eBay business. Now from this result, you are going to click on business selling on eBay, how to start an online store. And here you click on start selling. Now you see that you are in the business option and you are going to fill up this data. So when you already filled up this data, you click on create business account. Now you need to verify that you are a human doing this captcha. Now you need to verify your email address, writing the code that they send you by email. Now, when the account is created, you have to select your username, click on continue. Now, after logging in, you need to complete some more steps in order to set up your account completely. First of all, you need to select your company type. In my case, this one. Continue. And now you need to fill up your seller account with your personal information. Now, when you have already completed your data, you click on Save and Continue. And now you need to write your company address. Now then, you press on Save and Continue. Now you need to add your bank account information, press on Continue, and then in Review and Confirm, you will see all your data. You will have to scroll down and select in Confirm. Then you will have ready your account to start to sell. I hope you find this information helpful and thank you very much for watching.